Hi guys, it's David from Augusta University. Just a quick update on the whole market. Have a conversation about Hex, obviously, and just how everything's going right now in the space. So as of right now, Hex about 4% up in the last 24 hours, which is a positive direction. A little bit of movement positive with Ethereum and other tokens. But there's a lot been going on in the background. You see Richard Hart's messages talking about inflation and how the US money printing and everything going on in the world as they print more and more cash. It's just not a good thing. It's going to lower the value of the dollar. So when you go to the grocery store, essentially things are going to just cost more, right? You're not going to leave the grocery store with the same amount of money anymore. You're going to be spending more because the money that you keep in your savings account, checking, etc., is going to be worth less, right? So it's going to cost more. You're earning very little interest in your savings account. So what's a way to kind of hedge against that? A couple different ways I'm going to talk about today. One of the ways is going to be diversifying your funds, your portfolio, your retirement, right? So if you're well off or have a decent amount of savings, you probably have like a IRA or like a some kind of retirement account or saving, depending on what country you are. If you're in the States, IRA. Now there's alternatives to this, obviously cryptocurrency. You want to balance your portfolio off with some cryptocurrency. So if you can have some, I still believe in Bitcoin, I still believe in Ethereum, and I definitely believe in Hex as well. So these are some assets that you can store away. With Hex, you can do the staking and treat yourself for further down the line, right? Hex has done very well over the last few years. Yes, we're down right now, but overall significant gains. So to hedge against that, you can stake, set it and forget it. You know, you can five stake it, and years down the road you thank yourself, pat yourself in the back, and you're also minting free Hex for basically pushing that amount of Hex back. Okay, pushing it back so they can reward yourself later. Okay, so that's one way. Buying, dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, Ethereum, especially when things are low right now. It's a good opportunity. And another thing you can do is something I've talked about in my recent video. It's a completely different subject, but for those of you in the US, you have the ability to do something called gold IRA, so precious metals. So that means diversifying into gold and silver and other precious metals. So that's a huge opportunity to kind of not just focus on having cash in your bank and not just having stocks in your portfolio and not just having crypto, but having another asset class completely that is held away and stored away or even sent to you so that you have something physical. Gold has always had value physically when it comes to jewelry, when it comes to luxury. Even Richard Hart rocks jewelry, luxurious things like that. So you can't really say negative things about jewelry or precious gold or precious metals. So those are some of the things you can hedge against. And even if things really go south with government, even if things go really south with cash, jewelry and gold is always going to have value as something to transact. Okay, so keep that in mind. Even cryptocurrencies can go to zero. I really believe that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Hex are going to continue moving forward, and other cryptos as well, but these are the main ones that I focus on. But just something to think about. A gold IRA might be something worthwhile for you to look at. It's like a independent retirement account, which you can move your assets into when it comes to precious metals. So, you can talk to them. I have a link for those guys. I actually researched a lot of different companies. The best one from what I've seen with reviews and the team and everything would be Augusta Precious Metals. So I'll have a link for you guys down below if you're interested. Otherwise, if you want the best resources for following trades, like the best way to kind of dollar cost average into Hex, for example, I have an algorithm called LuxAlgo. I use that for looking at the chart daily and weekly and monthly just to kind of see when the best entry point would be to dollar cost my funds in, and that's called LuxAlgo. It's used trading view. You can see on the chart if it's a good buy signal or sell signal. So you can either take your profits out or dollar cost average in and purchase. Okay, so that's a tool that I use. I'll have the links down below as well. And if you guys like videos like this, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now let's have an overall discussion on what I think. I did mention this in my previous video, but I think by end of the year, if we get bullish again, we can get back to the previous all-time high and towards the dollar. But if it takes longer, it might actually take longer with everything going on right now. It might actually take up until, I'd say, the first or second quarter of next year, we get bullish again. Then we'll see Hex over $1, and then quickly the bull run should run longer. So we'll go from $1 up to maybe $5. But I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but definitely look at all these different things you can do. In the meantime, also look at different opportunities in which you can make more income, what you can make more funds for your business, make more sales, make more everything, so that you can hedge into these different diverse portfolios, okay? Whether buy more Hex and staking it, whether buy more Bitcoin, Ethereum, looking into, like I said, the gold IRAs. These are all different, precious metals. These are all different things you can do outside of just having cash, okay, guys? If you have some money put away, it's just some things to consider. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but just have that discussion. Hex, I still think can get to $1, then eventually $5 to $10, but it can take longer than expected because we're dependent on the market. People think that it's decorrelated, but I still believe the best thing you can do right now is just buy and hold. And when it dips, don't get scared and panic sell. That's just dumb. You want to buy more, okay? And don't put all your eggs in one basket. Be diversified, and also hustle hard. Do what you can to protect yourself, your family, and be healthy as possible as well. I had some rude comments on my last video saying negative things, but I don't really care. I'm in the gym, for example, trying to get healthier and be the best that I can. Nobody's perfect, guys, so keep those comments to yourself. I don't really care if you're saying negative things. I'm still gonna be me. You guys do you. But I appreciate everyone watching today. So if you have any questions about, algorithm software that I mentioned or the gold IRA only in the US, I'll have the link down below, and you can watch my other videos as well. But until then, all my Augustians, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Once again, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you like more videos on finance, cryptocurrencies, how to make money online, and just positivity and life, then get back to me, get on this channel, and I appreciate you watching today. Hope everyone's doing good. Please comment down below what you guys are doing in your journey right now. Do you think we're gonna go bullish by end of the year, or is it gonna be next year or even further? So let me know what you guys are doing down below. And until next time, thanks for tuning in. Stay bullish, and I'll see you guys in the next video.